Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you job opportunities, like very new job opportunities. These job opportunities are new, so fresh, they were just posted. So I'm just bringing it to you so you can be among the first to apply for these jobs, okay? And these jobs have visa sponsorship, they have relocation package, some have accommodation, some are going to pay for your flight. It's really amazing, and they are in different occupations. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you many jobs in this video in different occupations, so you may want to watch to the end so you can see the opportunities I'll be sharing in this video. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe so you can be seeing more videos like this, and also give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, so this video can reach people that really need this information, and also share the video with others. I want to thank everyone that shares my videos. When I talk to some people, they tell me, oh, someone shared your video with me, my sister, my uncle, a friend. I'm always so proud of my subscribers because you guys share my videos a lot. Thank you so much for that. And do continue sharing the video so we can help as many people as possible. And if you want to talk to me privately, you can do so by sending me an email, and we can talk about your personal needs as regards your relocation goals. All right, so let me show you these jobs real quick. These are jobs open to applicants that are outside Canada and those that are inside Canada as well. So if you're an overseas applicant, these jobs are for you, and they're in different occupations. So you just watch to the end so you can see what occupations are available at the moment, and you can also see how to find other roles as well. So this particular one is for a barber. So if you're a barber, you can move down to Canada. Like I always say, no matter the skills you have, just have the skills, have the experience, and you can move down to Canada. So if you're a barber, this is for you. They have 4 vacancies for this, and the salary is $19.23 per hour. Yeah. And you'll be required to work for 40 hours per week. It's a permanent full-time employment, and you're required to start as soon as possible. So this is very urgent. The education level they're looking for is just secondary school graduation certificate, and the experience here is 2 years. So you're going to be working in a barber shop or hairstyling salon or studio, and these are the responsibilities: cut and trim hair according to clients' instructions or preferences, shampoo, conditioners, shampoo customers' hair, shave and trim beards and mustaches, provide other hair treatment such as waving, strengthening, and tinting, and also provide scalp conditioning, massages, maintain and order supplies. So this is what the job is about. So you'll be doing blow drying and spiking. Those are hairstyling techniques that you must have: blow drying and spiking. And when it has to do with hair coloring techniques, they're looking for bleach, dyes, tints, streaking, highlights. So you need to be skilled in those areas. All right. And then you're going to be going through a criminal record check, so do ensure you have a clean criminal record. And work conditions is repetitive tasks, attention to detail, hand-eye coordination, combination of sitting, standing, and walking, standing for extended periods. So that is what to expect on this job. So if you want to apply for it, then this is the email address to send in your application to. So send your application to this email address: best care hire rather, best care hire @gmail.com. That is when you send your application to. Next up is for a hotel front desk clerk. Salary is $17 per hour, and you're working for 35 to 40 hours per week. And it's a day, evening, night, weekend, early morning shifts that you're going to be running. And there are 2 vacancies for this, so 2 candidates are going to be successful. The education, again, is secondary school certificates that they're looking for, and here they say experience is an asset. So they've not stated how long they need your experience to be. So it's basically going to be a situation of the best man gets the job, right? So the work setting is hotel, motel, and resort. And this is the responsibilities. basic responsibilities for a hotel front desk clerk. Yeah. So you register arriving guests and assign them rooms. You process group arrivals and departures, all those kind of things. So you can read through it and see if there's a kind of job you want to do. So you can go ahead and apply for it. So only apply if you know that you're qualified so you don't get a lot of rejections and become discouraged. So ensure you apply only for the jobs you qualify for. So they need someone that has attention to detail. Overtime is required and you're going to work under pressure. And for personal suitability, you need to be flexible, organized, reliable, and be a team player as well. So if you're interested in applying for this is the email address right here where you can send in your application, kanainvest@gmail.com. So that's where you send your application if you want to apply for this position. Another one here is hairstylist. So if you're a hairstylist, this is for you. 4 vacancies open and the hourly rate is $17. So secondary school is what they're also looking for here, and 1 year experience. So the work environment is noisy and odors, and then the work setting is barber shop or hairstyling salon and studio. Then these are the tasks on the job: book appointments, shampoo customers' hair, analyze hair and scalp condition, and provide basic treatment or advice on beauty care treatments for scalp and hair, apply bleach, tints, dyes, or rinses to color, frost, or streak hair, apply hair extensions, clean and style wigs and hair pieces, all those kind of things that hairstylists typically would do. So if you want to apply for this, they have benefits such as dental plan and healthcare plan. So that is good. So if you want to apply, this is the email address where you're sending your application to: mirageparlorsalon@gmail.com, mirageparlorsalon@gmail.com. So send in your application there if you want to apply for the position of a hairstylist. And next up here is a fruit farming laborer, 10 vacancies. So this is a lot, massive recruitment going on here. And this is the salary. So it's a seasonal employment, but it is full time, right? So no degree or certificate or diploma is needed for this. So no education requirement. And even when it has to do with experience, they say they will train. So basically, anybody can take up this job. Anybody can take it up. Experience and specialization is vegetables, asparagus, bell peppers, cabbage, carrots, cauliflowers, cucumbers, garlic, melons, onions, raspberries, strawberries, sweet corn, tomatoes, and others. So you can see, just basically fruits and vegetables. So they need someone that is reliable. And this is the email. If you want to apply for this position, this is the email address to send your application to: Bridgeview Gardens, Shaftesbury, right? So you can send in your application to this. All right. So next up, let's see another one: nail care technician. So you can apply for this if you're into nail care. Secondary school certificate, 2 years experience. So you can send your application here, right? So all these jobs are open to people that are outside Canada. So if it was not open to those outside Canada, you would see a warning sign here. There would be a warning sign here. Okay, let me show you. All right, so this is what I was talking about. When starting to process the immigration to Canada or get a work permit, you should only apply to jobs from employers who are recruiting international candidates. On Job Bank, these jobs are clearly identified. So when you see this, it means you can apply. And when you see this, it means you cannot apply. So all the jobs I showed in this video, this was the sign there, which means you can apply as an international candidate. All right. So this is it. This is the sign on all the jobs that I showed. So they are open to international candidates. If they were not, you would see this sign on the jobs. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'm going to be sharing more videos to show you more job opportunities as they come up. So I'll be doing my research to show you the best possible jobs out there that have visa sponsorship. So do give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, and also share it with others so they can take advantage of these job opportunities as well. And do subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.